When searching DynaMed or DynaMedex with a personal user account, you can claim your CME, CPD, CE, or MOC credits and contact hours. Begin by signing in with your personal account credentials. Click the account icon and then click Sign In. Enter your credentials and click the Sign In button. If you do not have a personal account, click Create Account to register for one. After logging in, note the Continuing Medical Education CME indicator in the toolbar. The number displayed indicates how many CME credits you have available to claim for a certificate. As you read topics, the system tracks your activity and credits are automatically added to the number you have available to submit. When you're ready to submit your available credits, click the CME indicator at the top of any screen, or click the Claim Credits button in the My Continuing Education box on the home screen. The first time you visit the CME screen, you're prompted to enter your address and CME information to receive your credits and contact hours. Enter your address on the Your Information tab and click the CME CPD CE tab. Note, the Workplace Information ID number is not required. On the CME CPD CE tab, select the type of credits you would like to claim or select Certificate of Attendance. If desired, you can also claim available MOC points by adding your information, board name, and board ID to the form. Once you fill this information out, you're not required to provide it again. All fields must be completed before MOC can be submitted. You can edit this information at any time by clicking the Settings icon on the CME screen. When you're done making changes, click Save and Close. On the CME credits screen, under Available, check the boxes for the credits you would like to claim and then click the Prepare button below. On the next screen, answer the Application in Practice questions and click Continue at the bottom of the form. If you would like to provide feedback, fill out the optional Evaluation and Feedback to Editors sections and click Submit. Your submitted credits are removed from the Available tab and added to the Claimed tab, from which you can access a PDF copy of your certificate by clicking the Download PDF button. For more information about CME, CPD, CE, and MOC, click the Learn More link on the CME screen.